Alright, so, I'm sitting here bored. Just woke up off the early. Can't go back to sleep. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to sing. Yeah. So, here goes. I don't need you to love me. I don't need your love. I got my children, I can't hold them now. They may not be here, but they still mine. I know. They know I still love them. Got my house, it still keeps the cold out. Got my chair where my body can't hold out. Got my hands doing good like they supposed to. Showing my heart to the folks that I'm close to. Got my eyes, but they don't see it's fun now. They see more, but how things really are now. I'm gonna take a deep breath. I'm gonna hold my head up. I'm gonna put my shoulders back and look him straight in the eye. I'm gonna flirt with somebody when they walk by. I'm gonna sing out, sing out. I believe I have inside of me everything that I need to live a bountiful life.